Hello everyone, it's Justine. Welcome back to Stationery by Justine. When I craft, the world stands still, hence the name Stationery. Anyway, I hope that you have had a chance to check out the add-on die for this month's card kit. It's called Spring Tea, and it is the add-on for the card kit of the month. So I will put a picture on the screen of what that looks like here. And since it is an add-on from the card kit, I thought that it would be kind of fun to pair the die up with some of the pattern paper from the card kit. So I have just this dark green background, and I am going to put this paper that has the little bunnies in the cup on it right on to my card front. Then I'm going to add a paper belt that goes around, or rather across, that bunny paper right about here. And I'm going to have it be a little bit lower than center. Make sure it's kind of straight. Yes, perfect. Then I'm going to add a chipboard element that was from the card kit. And I will just mention, if you haven't had a chance to check out what's all in the card kit, I do have one unboxing video on my channel for February. I'll put a picture on the screen here of what that looks like. And if you're interested in seeing what else I do with the card kit, please check out my card kit videos. I will have 16 different card design ideas all ready to go for you. If you're interested in checking those out, you can head over to my channel, and by the time that this card is up, I will have those on my channel. So I will have 2 videos where I make 8 cards in each video. So for this teacup, I did use pattern paper, again from the card kit. I have heard a couple of grumblings, or rather read about a couple grumblings online about people thinking that there isn't enough pattern paper in the card kit, and I will say that I think there kind of is enough if you use all of the pieces. So, you know, instead of throwing away a small scrap, you could take your die and cut out a teacup with this little piece of paper. And all of a sudden, now you have more of a project, which I think is wonderful. With this little bunny, you can choose to add on, I think it's like kind of like a pinwheel flower to the cup. But for my bunny, I didn't want to add that on, and I just wanted it to be kind of simple and be similar to the bunny that's in the blue cup here, that is just simply the bunny. So to do that, I'm going to add on the ear to the back like I just did, and then to add on the cheeks and the nose, instead of saving the little die cuts that popped out, I'm just going to add some white paper behind this piece and glue it on to the back of my bunny head. Then I'm going to take some Copic markers here in just a minute and color the areas that will pop through. Therefore, it will make that colored background without having to inlay teeny tiny pieces, especially for the nose. It is super small. So I'm going to go ahead and color it now, just in case there are mishaps. I can go ahead and cut out another bunny if I need to. But hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will be just fine. There's his nose, and then for his cheeks, I wanted to use a lighter red, so I'm using the R20, which is called Blush. It is my go-to color whenever I am adding blush tones to cheeks, and I think I'm going to add maybe just a little bit of this RV11 as well. Just for fun, you know. Now for the eye, I forgot to pull out a color, but I think I'd like something to match this green that I have going on. So I think I will just grab a light green maybe this G12 and go with that. I have seen a few different, oh, and that one is dry. Perfect. I have read a few different posts on different crafting pages on Facebook that Hobby Lobby is now not carrying Copic markers anymore. So they are doing the great purge of their Copic markers and getting rid of a lot of them. So people have been buying them on sale, which is so awesome. So maybe check out a Hobby Lobby near you and pick up a Copic marker or two if you have not yet. I know they are super expensive, but they're almost stupid expensive because they're expensive. They're an alcohol marker. It's a top brand. They last a long time. That one that is dry, I can refill it. I can re-ink it, and I can replace the nib if I need to. I don't think that one really needs to replace the nib, but you know, it's an option. So I find that they are so worth the money if you have the chance to go ahead and invest in them in the first place. Now I'm running into a bit of a snag because I should have put the bunny head on first, but thankfully, because these tweezers are super pointy, I can just slide the head kind of in, but I want to keep the ear out to give the illusion that the bunny is in the cup. Ha, it worked. Lovely. Lastly, for my bunny, I need to add his little hand. So how sweet is that? Oh goodness. So I'm going to add some glue right to the top, and then I hope again I'm going to be able to sneak that behind the paper, which I think I can do, and put his paw over the edge like so. And the die also came with these little flowers, so I'm going to add on 5 of them. 2, 1 big, 1 medium, and 3 small. We'll just go with that. And you'll notice that they are rounded a bit. I recently picked up the Susan Tierney Cockburn's Garden Tool Collection. Wow, that is such a mouthful. But I will link that in the description if you're interested in seeing what's all in there. I think it is a great toolkit. These reverse tweezers came in there too. You can buy it on the Spellbinders website, and like I said, I'll link it below. But it comes with this black foam pad and little add-ons for your tool-in-one that you can use as like a little ball and round those flowers, and it's very simple, but it works so well. So I will just say that that is definitely something to check out. So, but regardless, this is my finished card. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for future videos like this or others in the future. So head on over to my channel by just clicking on the channel name under the video, and you'll be able to see some other projects that I made with some recent clubs from Spellbinders. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope you get to craft soon because crafting is so fun. Anyway, toodles!